Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, we got a beautiful 67 GTO for you today. Look at the restoration on this car. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this blue on the car. She's looking hot. All the chrome up here looks like it's brand new. All the body lines are looking sweet on this baby. And yeah, she's a GTO. Look at the stance on this baby with those Cragar wheels on there, looking sweet. Absolutely gorgeous paint job on this car. Those Cragars are brand new, those BFGs are brand new. All the stainless is looking sweet, all the chrome is looking good. Door handle looks like it's brand new. And look at the interior on this baby. Black door panel, looks like it's brand new. All the cranks and controls look like the chrome's new. Got that great looking fake wood steering wheel. I love those. I just like the skinny steering wheels. And then of course we got real wood on the dash, and the center console's looking sweet. The back seat's looking good. The package tray's looking awesome. Headliner, dome lights working. I mean, everything about this car just looking absolutely gorgeous. Clean as a whistle, man. And of course she's a 4-speed too. You see that center console with that GTO 4-speed sticking out of there? You can see the doors are all nice and clean. Those lips are looking good. The latch looks like it was out when they did the restoration, just looking beautiful. As you look down that big long quarter panel, body work on it is phenomenal, looking sweet. We got great looking chrome on the back bumper. You can always tell a 67 by this tail panel, the way the tail lights are inset into the tail panel. Now you do need to be careful because they do make these tail panels, and some guys will stick those in the back end of a 66. And you can see inside the trunk, everything looking good in here. And if there's a mat, always make sure you pick the mat up and look underneath. Make sure that trunk floor is looking good. Bottom side of the deck lid also looking good, and don't forget they don't repop these 67 deck lids as far as I know. So you gotta make sure you feel around on this baby, make sure those lips are nice and solid, make sure that deck lid's in good shape. As you look down the side of it, straight as can be, you can really get a look at the stance on the car, looking awesome. Of course, 67 GTO, my favorite car for sure. Now we're gonna inspect this car so we can answer every one of your questions. We're gonna put it up on the lift, we're gonna take pictures, we're gonna do the video on the bottom side so we can show you exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. All right, it's 67 GTO time. 4-speed and horsepower, baby. Away we go. Beautiful car here. Now we can deliver this beauty anywhere in the world, so don't hesitate to call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. She is a blast to drive. Take us anywhere. You're gonna draw a crowd for sure. Everybody loves them, some GTO 67 models. Just a beautiful setup here, man, and sounding good, looking good, going through the gears, upshifting, downshifting, having a blast. Power steering feels good. She sounds amazing. Of course, everybody knows I like a loud car. Well, this one's just loud enough, not to piss off the neighbors, but probably wake them up. Now we're gonna take this baby back to the shop and we're gonna put her up on the lift, because at Vanguard, we're proud of the bottom of every one of our cars. That's why every car goes up on the left. As you can see down here on the dash, the wood grain's looking good. The faces of the gauges are looking great. All the chrome on the dash is looking awesome. Looks like all the gauges are working. Now it does have the stock radio in it, so if you're one of those who likes to listen to the radio while you're out in your muscle car, you better get you one of them aftermarket radios that you can hook up to your cell phone and all that. They make a bunch of different kinds now that look like stock radios, but they have all those electronics in them that everybody thinks they need. Wait on some traffic here. We're gonna head back to the shop right now where we're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underneath side. So if you need help delivering it, we can deliver it anywhere. If you need help financing it, we can finance it for you. And if you want to send an inspector, we will treat your inspector just like we treat you. Of course, we'd love to have you come on out. If you live far away where you've got to go to the airport, we're very close to the airport here in Detroit. We'll even send somebody down to the airport and pick you up if you want to fly in. So we're here at our shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're going to go in the air with this one right now. All right, we're underneath the 67 now, and man, it's pretty under here. Look at this baby. You can see the tank's brand new, the paint on the frame looks great, and the whole exhaust system's been jet coated. It's all welded up and looking sweet. They got some badass hangers on here also. You can see brand new body mounts there. Just everything, just slick as can be. Looks like the fuel pump, fuel filter, and everything's mounted right back here. You see that jet coating on the pipes looking good. We got the Pontiac 10 bolt in here. It is limited slip, and we got a 323 gear in there. You can see the lower control arms are reinforced. They got the extra reinforcing braces up here also. Bushings look like they're all new. We got a pipes set up here on the mufflers. You see they've got these nice flanges where it's real nice and easy to take this apart if you need to pull the exhaust down. Drive shaft's got nice paint on it. The U-bolts back here on the drive shaft are also new. Everything looking beautiful under here. We've got what looks like a brand new fuel line and brand new brake line run along the frame here. The frame's got beautiful paint on it. Got a brand new parking brake cable here also. I see more brand new body mounts here. We got an X pipe in there getting that pressure equalized going out the back. We got our Muncie 4-speed trans with a stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage also here. The car does have drum brakes all the way around, and those brakes have been taken apart, checked out, make sure they're in good working order and installed correctly. We got brand new ball joints top and bottom here, brand new flex line here, brand new hard line for the brakes. The bushings and the lower control arms look like they're new. The bushings here in the sway bar look like they're new. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Looks like the steering box has been painted to make it look like bare metal, which is very cool. You don't have to worry about it rusting up on you. I mean, everything under here is clean as can be. Somebody's also made this little scoop here to get a little extra air into the radiator to keep this baby cool. We got great looking chrome here. We got brand new tires. These are BFGs, and these are 215/65 15s on some brand new Cragars. And look at that rocker molding, man. Shiny as can be. The pinch weld here is something you got to look at on every car. Bottom side of the rocker, check that on out of every car. Feel the back side of the rocker too. A lot of times you'll feel some nice rough metal on these older cars that haven't been completely restored. This one is slick as can be and looking good. I always look at these areas in the frame too, the low area where the holes are in the frame. That's a real important area to check out. Usually the first thing to go, especially on GTOs. I don't know what it is about GTOs. 245/60 15s. You see the wheel lip moldings look good. The inner wheelhouses look like they've got like a bed liner material on them, all looking sweet. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we have what we believe is the original 400 block, but she's been stroked out to 467. Big horsepower on this one, man. We got aluminum Edelbrock intake on it. We got power brakes, power steering. It's got a 750 Holley on it. It's dual feed, 4-barrel. Everything looking sharp under here. It looks like the power booster's brand new there. The inner wheelhouses are all nice and clean. Looks like they restored the hood hinges, the firewall, just everything about this thing is looking absolutely beautiful. We got GM markings on the hoses here, and they've even got another fuel filter here, so the fuel is being double filtered. They got one back at the tank, one up here. It's got headers on it. Those headers look like they're jet coated. Chrome valve covers there, got an Edelbrock air cleaner on it. And again, we talked about the radiator when we were underneath. It says Rodney Red, or Rodney Rod. No, maybe that's red. I don't know. It's an aluminum radiator, guys. We got a fan shroud on this thing. There is a fan clutch on there. I mean, everything about the car is absolutely beautiful. Love the color, love the trans, love the restoration on the bottom side, the Cragars. Everything about this car is sweet. So give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.